We're gonna eat. Let's eat. Don't spill it. Don't fight. Here, right there. Leave it right there. All right, let's see y'all eat. Get down here and eat. Is that good? Let me see. Open your mouth. Oh boy, it is good. See? It's cold. Y'all better eat. Come on, gotta eat all of this. Peyton will eat it. Let's see you eat. Eat. Oh, watch that boy eat. He's gonna get big and strong.
Give it to Jesse. Give it to Jesse. Jesse. Here.
Is it good?
Pay attention and take it.
Peyton, is it good? It is? What are you eating? Is that chicken? It is?
I'm gonna hit you in the face. What? I was just kidding.
I tell you to hit him in the face.
Hey.
I didn't hit him in the face. You said to get it, and I didn't.
You better eat. Boy, it's going fast. This is better than McDonald's.
He's gonna give you thumbs up.
Is it good? Now, watch him act like his mama.
Peyton. Show Papa.
Thumbs up. All right.
Get a bite.
Papa.
What?
He's doing 30.
You better pay attention.
Get down.